We'll guide you through how to restore a WhatsApp backup from iCloud. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can do this whether you currently have WhatsApp or you may not. In my case, I do currently have it. So what we can do is press settings in the bottom right, come down the list and find the option for chats, and in chats find the option for chat backup. At the top here, we can go and see the last backup. That is the backup we can go and restore to. What we need to do to go and restore to it is we need to actually go and delete WhatsApp. Just remember, everything that's happened since that backup is going to be lost. So just consider that. So go and find WhatsApp, we can tap and hold on it, press remove app and go and delete it like so. And what we can then do is go and restore to that backup. What we can now do is go and open up the App Store and we can go and type in WhatsApp and download it again. Press open and now what we need to do is go and start the setup process. I've entered in my number and I've then had this pop up about restoring from iCloud. So what we can then do is restore it, we can see where it's from, and we can then go and press restore. And then all you need to do is wait. It shouldn't take long and it's now been restored. And what we can do is just finish setting it up. That's it, we've successfully done it.